This one is a Tamagotchi, which I purchased off eBay as faulty. So there you can see I paid 99p for this, plus £2.50 postage. It was on an auction. I was the only bidder. The description says Bandai Tamagotchi Original Interactive Pet Gen 1 Sunset faulty. So let's open it up and have a look. Well, it's on already. As you can see, it's already on, and it's like an egg thing. But it doesn't appear to do anything. Right, the instructions say, now that you have your Tamagotchi device, you must do these 3 things. Wake up Tamagotchi character from its million light-year sleep by removing the insulating sheet. Pull paper tab from side of body. That's obviously already been done. Reset if necessary by pressing the reset switch on the back of the Tamagotchi device with a thin object like a pen or pencil point. Please do not press the reset switch too hard or you may damage the Tamagotchi device. Guessing that's that point there. Adjust the time difference between Tamagotchi Planet and Earth timer setup. First press the middle button to bring up the timer screen. Does nothing. Use the left button to set the hours. Okay, so none of the buttons appear to do anything. And I'm also guessing when you pull the tab, that is supposed to hatch, but it's just bouncing around. Whoa! Right, so we've got a CR2032 3-volt battery inside. Let's try popping it back in after it's been taken out. Okay. I think it works now. This is going to be a quick video, isn't it? Maybe it'll help someone if you get one of these and it doesn't seem to work. Open it up, take the battery out, put it back in. Right, I'm just going to leave it because apparently it's supposed to hatch within 5 minutes.
Exactly 3 minutes and 23 seconds later.
Yay, it's hatched! Right, let's feed it. Meal or snack? Let's go for a full-on meal. No idea what's going on. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it bouncing around for a bit. These things are like £15–16 brand new, and I've like I say, I paid £1 for it. So I'm quite pleased with that, but I didn't have to do anything. Normally I wouldn't post this video, but I'm going to because I think it might help someone. You know, if you purchase one of these and you just got an egg that doesn't do anything, you literally just have to take the back off, take the battery out, put it back in, and give it a reset, and then it will work. So hopefully it's helped someone out. It will be a very short video, but thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more Can I Fix It and how-to videos. Thank you.